Hello, grade fours! So for spelling today, I want you to follow along with the slides, practicing each word or word part, just like we would in the classroom. Okay, let's get started. All right, I'm going to point underneath the word and I want you to say the whole word after you see the signal, okay? Plastic. Explain. Mitten. Coffee. Bunny. Last word. Symbol. Good work, grade fours. Let's go on to group 2. Basic. Return. Tiny. Over. Tulip. Hyphen. Good work. Okay, let's say our word decoding rules all together, please. To decode an unfamiliar word, always follow these steps. First, identify any word parts. Number 2, then divide between consonants. Number 3, next try long vowel sounds. And number 4, if necessary, try short vowels like magic. Perfect. All right, let's work on our word parts. Again, I'm going to put my cursor underneath each word and give you the signal. As I give you the signal, I want you to say the sound of the word part and then listen for Miss Hollinger's voice as I'm going to say it properly, okay? And you check and see if you said it the same way I said it. Sound good? Let's begin. Airy. Anti. Mid. Phi. Hood. Inter. Post. Semi. Ia. En. Sieve. Shun. Good work. Let's work on our words. Now remember, we are going to sound out each word part and then we're going to say what the word is. Then I want you individually to think, what does that word mean? And then I want you to try and use it in a sentence at home, okay? Share these sentences with your families. I'm sure they'll be very proud of you. All right, let's begin. Nay. Bore. Hood. And the word is neighborhood. Good work, grade fours. Okay, remember, what does this word mean? And try and use it in a sentence, okay? Let's move on to our next word. All together, grade fours. Faux. Cab. You. Larry. And the word is vocabulary. Good work. Okay, same thing. I want you to think, what does this word mean? And I want you to try and use it in a sentence, okay? I have provided you with an activity linked in Google Classrooms. Make sure you complete it and submit it to Ms. Hollinger. Good work, grade fours.